Hello. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the amazing lectures of Matholics. Today, we'll be completing the PYQ session, the game changer series for section E. 4 marks questions, okay? Case-based study questions. So, hello and good evening, everyone. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello. Good evening. Am I clearly audible and visible? So, we'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till then, kindly share the link with all your friends and groups. Thank you. Hello, hi. Hello. Hello, good evening. क्या बात Hello. Okay, we'll be starting the lecture very soon. Don't worry. Okay, chali. So let's start the session. This is last question. What we did was, I guess, 2 questions I gave you for your homework, right? For your practice. This question we did, right? Solve. X speed of stream came out to be 10 kilometers per hour. Okay. Next, we'll be solving 2-3 questions today also. This question I gave you for homework. I guess you must have done. Next question is this from this also from distance from okay. This we can do right now. Who is present? Kindly write present, sir, in the comments. So we'll be starting the lecture. Question is this is for class 10 maths case-based study questions section E. Student of class 10th of a secondary school in Delhi have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their maths integrated project. Some students have been given this land. Okay. They made a rectangular grid on this plot as shown in figure. This is the figure given. Okay. Now, what they are saying, see. Four students take their positions A, B, C, D as shown in the grid. Find the distance between B and D. Find the distance between B and D. So first write coordinates of B. What are the coordinates of B? Obviously, this is perpendicular distance. So this length is 1. This complete length is 7. Okay. From this level, this is what? This is 1. This is 1. Right. And this length is what? It is 7. So what will be this length? BD. BD will be 7 minus 1. That means 6. Right. Oral questions. These are actually oral questions. You just need not to fear from these questions. These are very, very basic questions. Okay. Sir, nahi aaya upstream wala. Which upstream? Which upstream? Which? Okay. So the distance between B and D. What is the distance between B and D? Tell me. This distance you have to find out. Okay. So this distance will be what? Nothing but this is 1. This complete is 7. So 7 minus 1 it is 6 units. First answer is 6 units. Second, find the midpoint of AC. What is A? This point is A. What is C? This point is C. So midpoint of AC. This is also oral question. First, you have to find the coordinates of A. What are the coordinates of A? Tell me. Coordinates of A are 0, 4. Coordinates of C are 8, 4. So this is nothing but 8 units. That's it. So midpoint will be at 4 units. Obviously, it is 0, it is 8. 8 by 2 is what? 4. So coordinates will be 4. And obviously this point is at this height. So y-axis, y coordinate will be 4. So 4, 4 is the answer for the next part. Okay. 4, 4 is the final answer, right? Upstream, downstream, you are having problems, huh? Upstream, downstream, you guys are having problems. Okay. Upstream, downstream, if you are guys are having problem, then I'll be giving you a link for this. Just give me a second. Just give me a second, my dear students. Okay. Just give me a second. I'll be giving you a link. You better watch that video. Okay. Complete session, right? Complete session. There are 2 videos actually. There are actually 2 videos, but you can refer to this video also. You can refer to this video also. Just wait. Okay. So I'm giving you these this link. You better watch this video for complete understanding of upstream downstream concept. Okay, wait, I'll be giving you upstream downstream. Okay, okay, have this link and enjoy. That's it. This is the done. So this is how you actually learn at Matholics. You name the problem and we have the lectures. You just name the topic and we have the questions. You just name it and we have it. This is all about the Matholics live classes, and this is all about Matholics, right? The content and the quality content which actually I am delivering to you guys, to students, since 3 years. It's the third year I am working on YouTube free for online education, right? So this is the hard work actually which I put into every concept, each and every single very complicated, very easy concepts. All those are mixed up and we deliver the best content to you. Okay, so if you really feel good and happy about Matholics, please share the link with all your friends. Okay, you Swetal Prajapati. Okay, what do, you just come in my doubt sessions and ask your doubts there. I'll be answering every one of them. Okay, now this point 4,4, how we got this point? Everyone is comfortable? I think everyone is comfortable, right? Now midpoint of AC 4,4 we done. Now find the distance of C from the x-axis. Find the distance of C from the x-axis. This is the x-axis and you have to find the distance this. What is the distance? Tell me. What is the distance of C from the x-axis? This is the vertical height and the y coordinate will be the vertical height. What is the y coordinate? It is 4. So 4 units, right? 4 units from the x-axis. Can you tell me what will be the distance of C from x-axis instead of y-axis? Tell me, instead y-axis. From y-axis, what is the distance of point C? This is y-axis. From this axis, what is the distance? This is the distance. Yes or no? And what is this? This is 8 units. Units you must write in your answer sheets. Okay, otherwise half mark will be deducted. Okay, this is for sure. Okay. Sorted. Done. One more thing, if you have real problems in what's the name, Shwetal Prajapati, from where you guys are, actually write your city name in comments. Write your city name in comments. Let's see. You just write time, distance, word problems, Matholics, pipe questions, Matholics. Whatever you feel the problem is, you just write that problem and after that you write Matholics. You will get the video for sure. I am damn 100% sure there is no question, no concept which ever existed for class 10 maths and that is not uploaded on Matholics YouTube channel. Yes, I mean it and I mean it. These are my words. Save it and just write the topic from whatever chapter you want, which is in CBSE class 10. You'll get the solution, you'll get the videos for sure. Just write the topic. After that, you write Matholics, JP sir, just write that. You'll get the videos. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's it. So this is the question. Now find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment BD in the ratio 1:2. This is good question, right? Divides the line segment BD. What is B? It is B. It is D. So for these type of questions, you take out B and D outside. You take out B and D outside like this. Okay, like this. This is BD. Write the coordinates of B. It is 4,1. The coordinate of B is 4,1. Write down it. Right, 4,1. What is the coordinate of? It is 4,1. What is D? 4,7. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment BD in the ratio 1:2. So this is the point. Let the point is P. Okay, this point is P. Now you have to find the coordinates of this x comma y so that P divides BD in the ratio 1:2. That's it. So how we are going to solve it? Simply x will be equals to 1 into 4 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2. Section formula. This is what? This is the good application of what? Section formula. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. Wait. This is nothing but the intersection formula. Okay, so this way you can solve. For these questions, I'm telling you, you must come in my doubt sessions, not now. This is especially for the case-based study questions. That's it. You cannot solve doubts, okay? It's not about your doubt only, it's about everyone's doubt, okay? There are Ask My Doubt sessions you can watch. Have you been first time to my classes? I think so. Okay, so now find the coordinates of the point which divides. This is how you can find the coordinates. Simply x equals to what? X equals to 1 into this, 2 into this, upon 1 plus 2. Y will be equals to what? 1 into 1 into, you have to multiply this by 7, yes or no? And 2 into 1, so 1 into 7 plus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2. So this is how you actually get the final answer, right? So coordinates will be nothing but 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 is the answer for this part. Okay, got it? Can I move forward? Okay, let's move forward to another question. This is, okay, next question. This is again case-based study question from the chapter, I think so it is, one guy is saying that GP, what is GP? Geometric progression. Geometric progression is not in CBSE class 10 maths, okay? Fine. You actually, what's your name? And what's your problem? I don't think. What is this? RIMC, huh? Who are you? What's your name? And where do you live in Ajmer? Come to my center. Huh? I'll be answering all your doubts. Don't worry. Let's talk one-to-one, face-to-face. Don't speak anything back from the camera, okay? Come to my center. It's in Panchil Nagar, Ajmer, okay? The address and links you'll get in my bio, in my description. And the number is rolling round, okay? Give me a call. Text me. I'll answer all of your doubts and all your problems will be solved. Don't worry. Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry. Okay. Next. It is given, for example, Rampal deposits some money P in bank and get interest of ₹1 on it every year. Then this is represented as P. Another one will be P plus 1. Another one will be P plus 2I. Okay, it is I. This is money and this is interest of rupee I. It is not 1, it is I. Okay. Now, what does this say? See. Please, hi, hello, good evening. Write your names in the comments and your city names in the comments. I'll be happy to see who is actually watching my lectures. Okay, that's so good. Thank you. Rampal deposit rupees P and get an interest of rupees I on it every year. That means after 1 year, it will be getting P plus I. After 2 years, P plus 2I, P plus 3I, like that. Okay. So first year it is P. After 1 year, P plus 1. After 2 years, 3 years, like that. Okay. The sequence P plus 1, P plus 2I, P plus I, P plus 2I, P plus 3I forms an AP with first term P and common difference I. Using the AP formula, its application, answer the following questions. If 4P plus 8, 2P square plus this is given, form 3 consecutive terms of an AP, then find the value of P. How to find the value of P? These are consecutive terms of the AP. That's so good. That's so good. Where in Gujarat, my dear? Where in Gujarat? These are terms. These are first term. This is second term. And this is third. Form 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Then find the value of P. So what is AP? This is A1, A2. This is first term A1. This is second term A2. This is third term A3. So A1, A2, A3. Now how to fix this? Common difference will be same. A2 minus A1 will be A3 minus A2. You know this concept? In an arithmetic progression, common difference is same. So second term minus first term will be equals to third term minus second term. This is the concept. Okay. Now, okay. It's okay. So now if this is correct and you understand the concept, we'll do what? This is the AP. I'll write it like this. Now A2 minus A1, this is minus. A2 minus A1 will be equals to A3 minus A2. Now what is A2 minus A1? 2P square plus 3P plus 6 minus this. So this minus this. We have done subtraction. That's it. You can do like this also. You can, if you want to make it easy, if you really wish to make it easy, you can do like this. That A2 on one side, this minus A2 will come to this side and will plus A2. This is A3 and this minus 1 will be plus A1. Okay. So twice of A2 equals to A3 plus A1. What is A2? A2 is this. What is A2? A2 is this term. So 2 into this term will be equals to A1 plus A3, right? Just put the values. When we put the values, 2 into 2P square plus 3P plus 6 equals to this thing. You just solve it. Have P square on one side and P on one side like this, right? When you'll solve it, 4p square plus 6p plus 12 minus this is 12 minus 12 cancel. 4p square minus 3p square, it is p square. Plus 6p minus 8p, it's minus 2p. P square minus 2p go to 0. Now just take out common. P into p minus 2 equals to 0. That's it. When you do like this, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So p equal to 0 or p minus 2 equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Right. So p will be 0 and p will be 2. These are the two answers for this required questions, for this given question. Okay. Sorted. So this is how actually you solve these kind of complicated questions. So will be board exam tough? Oh, exactly. Just see the level. See the level of mathematics, my boy. Just see the level of mathematics. Okay. Question CBSE sample paper you must have solved. If you haven't solved, just write CBSE sample paper class 10 maths 2025-26. After that, what do you have to write? Matholics. You'll get the concerned series of videos. There are 4 or 5 videos. At least in, I guess, 6 to 8 hours I have taken to solve that paper, right? 6 to I think 10 hours, if I'm right? 10 hours content is there for first sample paper, which is issued by CBSE this year, right? Just before a half-yearly exams it came, okay? So you can have a look for that also. So very sorry, network issues. Okay, it's okay, Akash, don't worry. Okay. So it is 4p square plus 6p, and today is the last class for us to be delivered in English language. From tomorrow onwards, we'll be diverting our lectures in Hindi language only, and most probably from tomorrow onwards, we'll be having at least 1 or 2 live classes on YouTube. That will be your doubt sessions also. That will be the content which actually I'll be delivering to you for the next 40-45 days. Okay, so best of luck. For exams, I'll be waiting for your sparkling results, everyone. Okay, need not to fear when JP is here. Need not to worry. I'm there for you. Don't worry. By this way or by that way, I'll be there for you, for all of you. Don't worry. Right. So, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, right? So, p equals 0 and p equals 2 is the final answer. Now, the next part is what? Next part is what? You must copy this part. Afterwards, first I'll let you understand this all this. Okay. Find the 12th term of AP 10.0, 10.5, 11 and 11.5. So one AP is there 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5. You just write down the AP. Okay, sir. We'll write down the AP like this. Okay. AP by JP. Okay. This is a fun moment. AP by JP. Okay. Let's laugh for that. So 10, 10.5, 11. So what is A? First term is 10. What is common difference? 10.5 minus 10. What is the common difference? 10.5 minus 10. That is 0.5. We just put the 12th term A n equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A12 will be 10 plus 12 minus 1 into D. That means 10 plus 11 into 0.5. That is 10 plus 5.5. That is 15.5 is the final answer. Right. So these are the two parts. A17 you can calculate by yourself. Copy it. Now you can copy first this part. After that, you can copy the second part also. Okay. Every part is on the screens. Copy it. I'll be waiting for 5 minutes. Don't worry. So can you give a tough question to solve? For more tough questions, you can have the HOTS series. HOTS question. Just write class 10 maths, HOTS questions. And you'll get the lectures. There are actually 20-30 lectures for HOTS questions. Okay. You can solve that. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do it fast. We have to do one more question. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. So I guess it's done. If not done, there will be time afterwards from this lecture. You can solve this. Okay. Enough of waiting for me. Third part is A17, A10 plus. Simply you have to write 17 term of an AP exceeds its 10 term by 14, then find the common difference, right? This is OR part, okay? If the 17th term of an AP, that means A17, exceeds the 10th term, that means A10 by 14. So A17 equals to A10 plus 14. This is another question, another part. Need not to involve this part with this part, okay? So A17 will be what? A plus n minus 1 into d. That means A plus 16d. What will be A10? It will be A plus 9d, right? So this way we can solve A cancelled. 16d minus 9d, it will be 7d equals to 14. So d equals to 2. This way you can solve this question. What is the common difference of an AP? 1 by x, 1 minus x by x, 1 minus 2x by x. You just subtract from this, from this. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Same technique, same practice. Just d will be equals to this minus this. Common difference you have to find out, that's it, nothing else, right? So you can do whatever, this minus this or this minus. We have done A3 minus A2. So 1 minus 2x by x minus 1 minus x by x. You will take x as the LCM. X will be the LCM, yes or no? If x is the LCM, what you will write? 1 minus 2x, it will be minus 1 plus x because it is minus, right? So minus 1 and plus x, right? So 1 cancelled, minus 2x plus x, it is minus x by x, that is minus 1, right? For your assistance, this is the PDF, this is the video in front of you. You can solve it afterwards, right? So let's move to some another question. Next question, है ना? The last question for this series, we have got 9 questions. Just look, right? These are 9 questions. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. We have already done now, and this is the 9th question. This is from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. This is the last question. These 9 questions, believe me, if you solve these 9 questions, section E, 3 questions of 4 marks. 12 marks are guaranteed. I can assure this, guarantee. I can assure my words. I mean my words, okay? But these 9 questions have to be solved, must be solved, should be solved by you, right? Just watch these lectures, solve them and get the answers. Tell you with the answers. Okay, now, a building is made by keeping the lower window of a building at a particular height above the ground. Building is made by keeping the lower window of a building at a particular height. Okay, this is lower window, this is upper window. Every diagram is given, okay? Each and every diagram is given. Now this is lower window, this is upper window. This point B, lower window, this is upper window. Okay. And upper window is constructed at some height vertically above the lower window, obviously. Position of both windows are shown in diagram. Both windows are designed and constructed in order to have a proper sunlight. Okay. Now this is a certain instant. At certain instant, the angle of elevation of balloon from these windows are shown. Someone is watching from the upper window, this balloon. Someone is watching the balloon from this lower window. So if you join like this is the angle of elevation 30 degree. Okay. And this is the angle of elevation 60 degree. Okay. Now, find the length AR in terms of capital H. What is capital H? This is given as capital H. Complete height is H, right? Find the length AR. That means this you have to find out, AR. This is 6, this is 2. So this will be 8. So remaining this part, SR will be H minus 8. How many of you are comfortable? How many of you are comfortable? So how to reduce calculation error in surface area chapter beta? What I am suggesting you, please attend my Ask Your Doubt sessions, which are starting from tomorrow and today at 9 or 9:30, before 10 p.m. Sorry, I am planning to start MCQ session, right? The one we did yesterday, 10 questions. 10 questions will be solving today. So need not to dare to miss that session also. If I'll be starting 90% is it? I'll be starting at 9:30 or 10 p.m. today only, tonight. Okay, so attend those. You'll be having fun, lots of fun. I'm planning, right? It is 90%. If there is chance it's cancelled, it will be tomorrow. Don't worry, but it will happen for sure from this day to another day also. Okay, now SR, yes, Akash, correct, 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 correct. SR, I have seen you improving so high, Akash. I have seen you improving, right? Your actually basics are very much clear now, I think so. So SR is what? This complete is H. This is 8, so this is H minus 8. Okay, now look, look for the another part. What it is saying? We have to find AR. This is H minus 8. This is 30 degree. So in the triangle, this triangle, in this triangle, right? In this triangle, wait, let me have a good color in my hands and this one. In this triangle, see, can you apply trigonometry very easily? This is 30 degree. Can you apply trigonometry? Right? Yes, sir. So tan 30 will be perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is H minus 8. Base is this, right? So tan 30 will be H minus 8 upon AR. You have to find AR only, right? So this is tan 30. This is only tan 30. H minus 8 upon AR. Okay. This is A. H minus 8 upon AR. Why? Perpendicular upon base. What is tan theta? We know that tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base. See, these things you must very well memorize, right? Because if these are not clear, my students, if these are not, everyone must have liked. Do not like, forget to like and share with all your friends, right? So, tan theta, tan 30, perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Sir, if this is angle 90 degrees, if this angle is 90 degrees, right? Obviously, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse, yes or no? This line is hypotenuse. So tan 30 will be H minus 8 upon AR. Right? So AR will be equals to what? Root 3 into H minus 8. This is the answer. That's it. Need not to solve further. This is the answer. Second one, what will be the value of capital H? You can also get tan 60. Use tan 60 to get H upon this. And this is AR only, right? So in big triangle, if I can draw this triangle, see this, oh sorry. See this triangle. Can you see this triangle? In this triangle, this angle is given 60 degree. Yes or no? This angle is given 60 degree. Yes or no? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. If this is 60 degree, you like tan 60 goes to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? It is capital H. What is base? It is same like AR. Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? Yes or no? Okay, so you are from Ahmedabad. Sorted, sorted, sorted. That's so good. Sorted. Got the point now? How you actually make triangles and draw the diagrams, huh? This is very much necessary, okay? So how to reduce calculation? Okay, we'll be answering all your questions and ask your out sessions. Don't worry, Smith. Don't worry. We'll be having all the doubts. Don't worry. Right. So in this big triangle, I'll write tan 60 degrees. We have to remove these. This will actually ruin my beautiful diagrams. Okay. So tan 60 degree will be this complete. So this is complete is H. This is 2. So this will be H minus 2. This side will be H minus 2. SQ. So H minus 2 upon AR or whatever BQ. So tan 60 equals to what? See, from this diagram, you can write tan 60 equals to H minus 2. This is perpendicular. And this is base. This base we already found out to be root 3 H minus 8. Because this AR will be equals to BQ. See, these two lines, this line and this line are gonna be equal. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Right. This way actually you can solve, right? So root 3 equal tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equals to H minus 2 upon this. Now this root 3 into H minus 8. See how to solve this one. I'll tell you. I will tell you. See, this means tan 60 is under root 3. That's equals to H minus 2 upon under root 3 into H minus 8. You just cross multiply them. So root 3 into root 3, 3 inside bracket it will be H minus 8 and that's going to be equals to H minus 2. Okay. So it is 3h minus 3 8 is 24, that's equals to h minus 2. So it will be 3h minus h, and that will be equals to minus 2. This 24 will go there and it will be plus 24, right? So 3h minus 2h, what will it be? Tell me. 3h minus h, it will be 2h, right? So 2h is equals to what? 24 minus 2, it will be 22. So h came out to be 11 meters, right? So this is how actually we can find h. Yes or no? Is it sorted? Can I move forward? So when we science, okay. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. We'll be solving. Don't worry, don't worry. Science also will be solving. Don't worry. Okay, so this is under root 3 equals to h minus 2 upon this, and we will solving. H will be 11 meters, right? Next, this is, find the distance between the balloon and the upper window. See, this is the balloon. This is the balloon, and upper window is this. So that means h minus 8 you have to find out. Got the point? No. What is the distance between upper balloon and balloon and upper window? This hypotenuse you have to find out. This one. This is the line. This you have to find out the hypotenuse. How many of you are able to see this? How many? How many of you can see this? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Balloon. Distance between balloon and upper window. This is balloon on the higher side, and this is upper window. So you have to find this hypotenuse. Okay. So for hypotenuse, obviously you must use sine theta, because sine theta it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? So we can solve like where it is. Okay, we can solve it. We can solve it. We can solve it. We can solve it right now. Okay, it is given. Find the distance between one upper window. Distance between, no, this will not be like this, right? Balloon and upper window will not be like this. Distance between balloon and lower window. No, you have to solve actually by finding hypotenuse, right? So first tan 30 degrees. No, sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degree will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine 30 is what? Half. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is h minus 8. This is hypotenuse. Okay, h is not that h. The h is already given in question, because, right? Just to confuse you. Okay. So hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is AS, right? AS you have to find out. You have to find out AS equals to what? Which part we are solving? We are solving third part. We are solving third part. Okay. So half equals to, what is h? H came out to be 11. 11 minus 8 upon AS, right? So this will be AS equals to 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 2s are 6 meters. Okay. So first one is 6 meters is the answer. Now it's OR part. OR part, what does it say? It says find the distance between balloon and lower window. Balloon and lower window. Got the point? Got the point? OR part, how we are going to solve? Find the distance between balloon and the lower window. This is balloon and this is lower window. See, this is balloon and this is lower window. This part. Okay, this part. This is balloon and this is lower window. Why I am doing this highlights? Because you have to actually use your you have to have that vision, right, for finding the length. This length we have to find out. So what triangle we must use? We must use this triangle. Obviously, yes. Yes or no? Yes or no? This triangle we have to use. Yes or no? Okay. Now, if you have to find this BS, right? This BS you have to find out. You have to find out BS. What is BS? First part we have to find AS. Second part we have to find BS. Now what is BS? Where BS will come? Obviously tan 60 or sine 60. So sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 or cos 60. Because sine 60 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos 60 is base upon hypotenuse. Okay. So sine 60 equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is value of sine 60? Under root 3 by 2. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is complete this length. SQ. That means h minus 2. H minus 2. This is hypotenuse again. Okay. What is the hypotenuse? We have to find out BS. Okay. So how to solve this part? Wait. Keep on copying, right? I won't be able to give you time for that. Okay. So this is it, and h is 11. So under root 3 by 2 equals to 11 minus 2 upon bs. So under root 3 into bs will be equals to 11 minus 2, 9, 9 2 is 18. So bs will be equals to what? 18 by root 3. You just multiply it by root 3 by root 3. You have to rationalize it. You have to rationalize it, right? So we'll be writing it 18 under root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. And 318 cancel out. It will be 6 under root 3 meter, right? So this will be the final answer. So this way actually, okay, one more thing. This is actually the way you can solve, right? You keep on copying this. This is for you, for reference. Video is there. Don't worry. Keep on copying, keep on copying. So this was the last question actually we did. Okay. So think, guys, you need not to worry that this question is coming from which chapter and this question is coming from which chapter. I guess what chapters we have covered in this, let me tell you. First one is from coordinate geometry. Second one from the chapter arithmetic progression. Third question again from applications of trigonometry. Fourth question from the chapter circles. Okay, tangent concept we have used. Fifth question from the chapter quadratic equation, in which we have done upstream and downstream question. Sixth question we did again for the chapter applications of trigonometry. Seventh question again we did from the chapter coordinate geometry. Eighth question was from the chapter arithmetic progressions. And ninth chapter was from applications of trigonometry. So this way we have actually covered 5 to 7 chapters, 5 to 7 different topics and different valuable topics, okay, which actually are expected to arrive as it is in your exam. So should I do sample paper and how much for math exam to score 98? More than at least 4 to 5 hours mathematics practice daily from now onwards till your board exams. This is actually a hard step which I am telling you, but you have to do this if you really want to score above 90 marks in board exams, because question paper is going to be really. Was there any problem, right? I hope you must have enjoyed the session, right? So every one of you, I think everything is clear now, sorted. So that's it. This is JP sir signing off. We'll be meeting very soon in next live class. I hope you must have enjoyed all these classes. Best of luck for exams. And that's the right time for me to sign off. We'll be meeting very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, good night, and yes, I love all of you. Padhte raho, ladte raho, aage padhte raho. Need not to fear when JP is here. Best of luck. God bless you. Bye bye.